Hi, I'm Coco from ChocoData. In this video, I'll show you how to scrape full Amazon product data from any product URL or ASIN. The live price, stock, and ratings, 60 fields in all, as clean structured JSON. No scraper to build, no proxies to manage. Let's set it up. First, open the link in the description. That takes you to the ChocoData Amazon scraper page, where you can see exactly what the API returns. Hit Get Your Free API Key and create an account. It's free, and no credit card is required. Once you're signed in, head to Scraper APIs and open the Amazon Product API. Before we scrape anything, here's the product itself, the Echo Dot, live on Amazon. Now look at the address bar. Right after /dp/ sits a 10-character code. That's the ASIN, Amazon's unique ID for this exact product, and every product page has one. You can take the ASIN itself, or do the even easier thing, and just copy the entire product URL. Back in the playground, paste the URL into the URL field, and that's the entire setup. There are advanced options too, but you won't need them for this. That's genuinely all the configuration there is. Let's run it. Hit Run. Each call is 5 credits, and a free key starts with 5,000. ChocoData opens the live product page, handles the proxies, the fingerprints, and the retries, parses everything, and a few seconds later, the full product lands right here. Let's read the response. 60 fields came back for this one product, but the ones you'll use most are right here. The live price, $49.99. Stock status, in stock. And the rating, 4.7 stars. Across nearly 200,000 reviews. All clean, structured JSON. Now let's use it in code. The code sample updates as you type. Grab it as curl, Python, or Node. It's a single GET request with your API key, and the same JSON comes back in your script. For bulk, loop a list of ASINs and put the script on a schedule. Same request, fresh prices and stock on every run. And product detail is just one of the Amazon endpoints. Need to find products first? That's the Amazon search endpoint. Whole result pages for any keyword. Want review text at scale? There's an endpoint for that too. Both are linked below. If anything doesn't work, our support links are in the description. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy scraping.